Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 kitchen cabinets that bring style, storage, and durability to your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the description below for more home and lifestyle recommendations. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, dining room, or creating a cozy coffee bar, these cabinets are a must-have. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Decor Farmhouse Kitchen Pantry Cabinet, Large Kitchen Pantry. This pantry comes with 2 open shelves and 13 hidden compartments to hold snacks, food, spice bottles, household appliances, and more, making it the perfect solution to kitchen clutter. Doorside storage. This kitchen pantry cabinet features practical storage with 3-tiered doorside racks. Each shelf is 9.45 inches high, ideal for storing seasoning bottles, snacks, etc. Large capacity. Spacious kitchen storage cabinet with 1 large drawer, 4 cabinets, 2 double door, 2 single door, 1 open shelf, and 8 hooks. Reasonable space allocation meets your different storage needs. Farmhouse design pantry cabinet. With a barn door design and black metal accents, this kitchen cabinet combines modern rustic charm with the warmth of vintage farmhouse decor. Assembly and after sales. We've provided detailed instructions and numbered assembly tools for this pantry cabinet to make assembly as easy as possible for you. If your item arrives damaged, scratched, or missing parts, please feel free to contact us. Number 4 is the kitchen pantry cabinet. If you're looking for a perfect blend of style and functionality for your home, the Keptori Kitchen Pantry Cabinet is an excellent choice. Designed with a modern farmhouse touch, this cabinet combines practicality with a unique design that complements any interior. The combination of barn doors, a black iron mesh drawer, and sleek black metal handles adds a rustic yet elegant look to your kitchen or dining area. Measuring 16-inch deed by 24-inch dolues by 47-inch aiders, this pantry cabinet provides plenty of storage space. It features a convenient drawer and multiple adjustable shelves, offering 8 compartments that can be customized to suit your needs. Whether you need space for cookware, small appliances, or pantry items, this cabinet ensures your kitchen stays neat and organized. Made from high-quality engineered wood, the cabinet is durable, waterproof, and scratch-resistant. Its sturdy weighted base provides stability, while the eco-friendly finish ensures there are no harsh odors, making it safe for your home. Beyond the kitchen, it's versatile enough to use in bedrooms, bathrooms, or hallways as extra storage. Another highlight is its easy assembly. Each piece comes clearly labeled, and a detailed instruction video is provided, ensuring a stress-free setup. Backed by a reliable customer support guarantee, you can shop with confidence knowing any issues will be quickly resolved. The Keptori Pantry Cabinet is not just furniture, it's a stylish storage solution that adds charm, function, and organization to your home. At number 3, the Arched Pantry Cabinet by JMHDYG is a perfect combination of elegance, practicality, and durability, making it an essential addition to any modern home. Standing tall at 71 inches, this freestanding cabinet features a unique arched top design and stylish glass doors that not only enhance its farmhouse charm, but also allow you to showcase your organized pantry essentials. Built with premium engineered wood, the cabinet offers long-lasting durability and a sturdy structure. Its natural finish adds warmth to any space, while the anti-tipping design and non-slip foot pads provide extra stability and safety for your household. Measuring 31.5 inch by 15.74 by 71 inch inches, it fits comfortably in kitchens, dining rooms, or living areas without taking up too much floor space. Storage is where this cabinet truly shines. It comes with 2 large drawers, ideal for utensils, condiments, or small kitchen items, and adjustable shelves that give you flexible storage options for larger cookware, appliances, or pantry supplies. With a 5.1-inch clearance at the base, it's also easy to clean underneath, ensuring your home stays neat and fresh. Beyond the kitchen, this versatile piece can serve as a display cabinet in the living room, a storage unit in the dining area, or even a bookcase in the study. Assembly is straightforward with clearly coded parts and detailed instructions, and reliable after-sales support ensures a smooth experience. Stylish, spacious, and multifunctional, the Arched Pantry Cabinet is a smart storage solution that blends farmhouse elegance with everyday practicality. At number 2, the AUTVR metal sideboard buffet cabinet is a multifunctional piece of furniture that combines farmhouse style with modern practicality. Measuring 59.73 in 8.3 hit H, this sleek cabinet is crafted from durable metal, making it both sturdy and long-lasting. Its black finish adds a timeless elegance that fits perfectly in dining rooms, living rooms, or kitchens. This buffet cabinet is designed with ample storage space to keep your home organized. It features 2 doors with adjustable shelves, perfect for storing dishes, glassware, or larger kitchen items. The 3 spacious drawers are ideal for smaller essentials such as utensils, napkins, or wine accessories. An open storage section adds extra convenience, allowing you to display decorative items or keep everyday essentials within easy reach. More than just a storage cabinet, this piece offers versatile functionality. It can be used as a coffee bar, a wine bar, or even a TV stand that supports flat-screen TVs up to 65 inches. Its wide top surface provides plenty of space for serving drinks, setting up a stylish decor display, or showcasing family photos. Designed with adjustable feet, the cabinet remains stable even on uneven floors, while its farmhouse-inspired design adds warmth and character to any home. Assembly is simple with clear instructions, and customer support is available if needed. Whether you're upgrading your dining space, creating a cozy coffee station, or organizing your living room, the AUTVR metal sideboard buffet cabinet is a versatile and elegant choice. And finally, number 1 goes to the transform your home into a stylish entertainment hub with the Lumi Bar table cabinet, a modern and versatile storage solution designed for wine lovers and entertainers alike. Measuring 70.9 inches by 21.3 D by 43.4 inch, this crescent-shaped bar stand combines elegance, practicality, and cutting-edge features to elevate your living space. One of its standout features is the LED lighting system, offering over 60,000 customizable colors. Whether you're hosting a lively party or enjoying a quiet evening, the adjustable lights allow you to create the perfect mood, turning your wine collection into a stunning display. The Lumi Bar cabinet provides ample storage with 3 spacious drawers, adjustable wine racks, multiple shelves, and built-in stemware holders. It can easily accommodate over 12 wine bottles, while also providing space for cocktail kits, coffee setups, or decorative accents. The crescent-shaped countertop, framed with a protective guardrail, is ideal for serving drinks, snacks, or displaying decor, making it the centerpiece of your home gatherings. Built from high-quality engineered wood with commercial-grade laminate, this bar cabinet is not only sleek but also durable. Its stable base, anti-tip kit, and heavy-duty frame ensure long-lasting safety and reliability. Versatile in design, it can function as a mini bar, buffet cabinet, coffee bar, or kitchen sideboard, seamlessly blending into any room decor. With easy assembly instructions and responsive customer support, setting it up is quick and stress-free. The Lumi Bar table cabinet isn't just storage, it's an experience, adding sophistication and functionality to every celebration. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 kitchen cabinets for 2025. From compact organizers to elegant statement pieces, there's something here for every home and every style. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the description below for more home and lifestyle recommendations.